Hi, this is Vizzy Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to save TikTok without posting. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. In a world where social media is quickly taking over, TikTok has risen to the top with its short and entertaining videos, from away inspiring dance routines to easy to follow workout regimes. Whether it's about cooking a recipe for your best friend or recreating a funny prank, TikTok is now a part of your modern pop culture. There's no denying that there's something for everyone on this platform. But can you save a TikTok video that you have painstakingly made without posting it immediately? The question is yes, and in this video I will show you how to do it. It's so simple. So first of all, of course, we have to open our TikTok. Now you can just try to take the video or you can upload it from your gallery for the photo or the video. For the example, I will try to record like this, just for the example. Now we can stop, tap on next. Now what if you want to save it without posting? You can save the video to the draft. You can tap on draft and you can open your draft. Here you can tap on the share icon and here on the upper right corner, and you can see you can save it but with watermark. Save with watermark. But what if you want to save it without watermark? You can pause it, but you pause it to private. So you can change the privacy from everyone to only you. Now you can just post. So now your video will be automatically saved to your gallery without watermark. Let's see. Here's the video. Here's the video where you save it to draft and you save it to your gallery. And this one is without the watermark because you post it into only you. It's a simple, right? So that is how to save TikTok video without posting. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!